Hello and welcome back. I hope that you enjoyed my last video, but today I'm going to be making this jean skirt. Let me take this off. I just thought this would look really good with the outfit. I'm going to be taking you through the highs and lows that I went through because there were some lows. I wasn't really sure how I liked it, because when it comes to skirts for me, I like my skirts to either be really long or really short. And this one was like two in between, And I could have cut it a little more, but short skirts are not good for real life. Like in photos, you can wear them in photos, whatever. But IRL, I don't want my coochie to be sitting on the park bench. You know what I mean? That was my dilemma when making this skirt. Okay, so I had this fabric, this jean fabric. I made like a little cutout shirt with it, and then I also made this kind of ugly dress too. So I had some leftover, so I was like, okay, let me just make a skirt, because I'm never making like bottoms, because dresses are so easy, shirts are pretty easy, but when it comes to bottoms, like pants and I guess skirts are easy too, but I need more bottoms. Okay, I need more bottoms. I measured myself. I was 33, and then I decided to make it come down about 15, and then I got started. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did do this one a little bit willy-nilly, you know what I mean? I didn't measure really well, so I ended up actually adding more fabric than I already had because it wasn't coming all the way around. I think for the most part, each plait is about 3 inches. At this point, I finally made the plaits and I made the skirt to my length, and it's now time to sew. Okay, the plaits look so good here. I don't know what happened, but they kind of lost their pizzazz when I put the zipper on. If you know what happened, please let me know, because like I tried to iron it back out, but it just like it wouldn't work. But the back looks fine though. Okay, now the zipper gave me problem. Always. Honestly, I didn't get much of the zipper on camera because like it wasn't clicking up here. It was not clicking. So I just looked at this Pinterest in order to do the zipper. So I kind of like did what was there, and then like I added a zipper in between. At this point, it's kind of big, but it's also kind of cute. I was considering like stopping here and like not putting this band around the top, because it kind of reminds me of like Mew Mew, and like how it's like it looks unfinished. I think it's at the top or it's at the bottom. I can't remember, but definitely like that shirt, that Mew Mew top is like unfinished, and I kind of like that unfinished look. But I did leave the bottom unfinished. I decided not to treat the raw edges. I just thought I'd give it a little more pizzazz, you know, like with this white stuff sticking out, you know what I mean? It was at this point where I almost gave up. Because I was like, this skirt isn't cute. Like I was saying in the beginning, it was not long enough and it wasn't short enough for me. So I was faced with the decision to either cut it or leave it alone. Obviously, in the end, I decided to leave it alone. But I don't know, like, I was really grappling with this thought in my head. I don't know, like, now I think it's cute. I really do think it's cute. And then I also got this little star button that I put on there. I think it really ties it all together, you know what I mean? And it's like, it is a mini skirt, kind of. Because, I mean, my butt's right here, you know? So, there's not a lot of room. My coochie is still on a park bench. Like, it's still short. I don't know. So I sat down on that couch and started sewing the button on, and yes, I know I was sewing it on the wrong side. I corrected it. Okay. I was doing the button, I did the buttonhole, and I was feeling better about it. It was I was a little dramatic. I was a little dramatic. Previously, I had made myself this black top just to go with the outfit. I just wanted something real simple, something like Skims maybe, because I wanted to give the attention to the skirt. And the skirt already took long enough for me. I didn't feel like adding extra hours into making something else, you know what I mean? it was done. This skirt came out very beautifully. I'm very proud of myself and proud that I didn't quit. I could have quit. I was gonna quit. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Check out my other projects and more to come in the future. I do have a second channel, my cooking channel. So if you enjoy me, maybe you'll enjoy that channel. I'm still working on it. It's still like, a work in progress, but yeah, just like this one. Ready? Thanks for watching.